Today we're going to look at how to adjust Peerless's Monza hinges on a terrace door. You'll need a 6mm out hex key, a 4mm hex key, and a flat blade screwdriver. You also might find a 3mm hex key and a non-marring hammer helpful. Let's take a closer look. Okay, for left to right adjustment, we'll be looking at the bottom hinge, but you'll repeat this process on all the hinges as needed. You'll need the 6mm, 4mm, and flat blade screwdriver. First, remove the plastic cap on top with the flat blade screwdriver. That will remove the plastic cap and a beauty cover. Loosen the set screws with the 4mm hex key. Then for left to right adjustment, using the 6mm hex key, turn the hinge left or right depending on what's required. Reset the set screws with the 4mm. Slide the beauty cover back on. And reattach the plastic cap, tightening the flat blade screw. For vertical adjustment, you'll repeat this process on all the hinges. First, remove the bottom plastic cap, either using your fingernail or a flat blade screwdriver. Be careful not to mar any finished surfaces. Using a 6mm hex key, tighten the screw to bring the unit up. Loosen the screw to bring the unit down. When bringing the unit down, you'll have to adjust multiple hinges to actually get the unit to start moving. Once complete, reinstall the plastic cover. Okay, to change compression on the Monza hinges, you'll complete this process one hinge at a time. You'll need the 4mm hex key, potentially the flat blade screwdriver. The 3mm may come in handy, as well as potentially a non-marring hammer. So first we're going to loosen the screws on the hinge. Then completely remove the screws. Using the 4mm hex key. Then remove the bracket from the frame. A flat blade screwdriver can be inserted underneath the bracket between the aluminum component and the painted part, and a slight twist should remove it. Slide the hinge off of the pin. Remove the plastic cap on the bottom. Take the 3mm hex key through the center of the adjustment screw and push up until the plastic insert comes out. There are 3 grooves and 1 tongue between the two of these. Rotating it inward will give it more compression. Rotating it outward will give it less compression. Center is neutral. Once the desired compression is positioned, reinsert the plastic insert. Reslide the hinge on the pin. Align the bracket. For easiest alignment, you might have to adjust your vertical height adjustment to get the hinge to line up as effectively as possible. Once that's on, reinsert the screws. Then completely tighten these screws. Make any additional adjustments that may be required after realigning the hinge. Then reattach the plastic cap and repeat the process as needed on the other hinges.